What's up, guys? I'm back making another video. Not quite here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a squat here because I'm entirely too tall to do this right now. But I'm shooting another video and it's with these bad boys right here. I have a DJI Spark. Almost forgot what it's called. I was looking up DJI Mavic videos earlier today, so I was about to call it a Mavic, but this is a Spark. It's pretty much one of the smallest of the DJI quadcopters or drones that DJI came out with. I also have the controller for it, and you can also connect your phone to it. I pretty much got it, well, I got it on the 29th, which was my birthday. It was a birthday gift, and I've pretty much spent like the past week or two trying to set it up, trying to make sure it's working. And I'm sort of in an open park, and I kind of want to fly it. I mean, the thing is, there are a bunch of rules, and so I'm still trying to figure that out. I do know that if you fly it around about 80, maybe to 100 feet above ground, you're good. And so there's a way to keep track of it. So pretty much, you have to open up the DJI app on my phone, and then it connects to this controller, and it's able to tell you you're 20 feet above the ground, or 30 or 40, or whatever the case may be. Let me see, I think I'm charged. So pretty much one tap shows the battery level, and then tap and then a hold. Boom, and we're in action. So now we have a full battery for this. And then, okay. Did not expect that. Okay, so there we go, we have the lights. And then for this, same thing. Tap once and tap and hold. Boom, we think we're in action. Fuck.
What's your profanity?
So, pretty much you have to open up the DJI app on
profanity.
I have 50% battery, so I might not be able to fly that long. However, I think I should get a good something in, a good maybe 5 minutes of flight time, maybe 10 minutes, because okay, I have an iPhone 6 that I'm using for this right now, and it's definitely struggling for sure. It's an old phone, so I'm having a bit of an issue. Boom, I think we're ready to go. So yeah, so pretty much this is, let me see, safety.
The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so this is what we see right now. This is going to be kind of hard to show you guys. But boom, that's exactly what the quadcopter sees. And so, I keep calling it quadcopter, but it's a drone, same thing. So that, and now I'm rotating it around. And that's me. I have it, I'm about to start flying it. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, so I mean, I kind of messed around with the drone for a little bit. I didn't really have any angles or any shots planned. I mean, I'm still sort of watching videos and looking at tutorials and figuring out what works. However, this is pretty legit. I like it. I'm planning on going hiking. There are insects all over the place right now. I'm planning on going hiking soon, so I'm going to take this bad boy with me and get some cool shots of nature and stuff. I'm going to take it to Cars and Coffee. If I get permission, I can fly it there and show you guys fuller angles of all the cars, as well as individual shots of each car with this camera right here. So yeah, that's that for this video. Hope you guys like it. A little bit shorter than usual, not quite your usual car video, but that's that. I'm gonna go edit this stuff, probably grab food as you do, So yeah, like this video, subscribe, definitely subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers, which is great. So yeah, also like the video. If we can get, I set the bar pretty low. If we can get 5 likes on this video, that would be great. Thank you guys for watching the videos and enjoying them, I'm assuming. So yeah, that's that. I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.